All right, what about yours?
Good. Good.
So you the owner?
Nah, he owns it right there.
Oh, you turning the renters?
Huh?
So you turn the renters? Gotcha. Can you tell me a little bit about the setup?
Yeah, it's a X275 car.
Okay.
Owned by John Davidson. And it has a 632 SBES motor.
Right. Okay. What's the best the car's been?
It went 446 yesterday.
Oh, so that was the best overall.
So far, yeah.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Congratulations on that.
Thanks.
Yeah, it's a nice car. I always liked this car over the years. Yeah. I love G-bodies. I love them. Yeah, we love the G-bodies on my channel
he drove
too.
this car to high school.
For real?
Yeah, he's had it that long.
Yeah. Y'all heard that he drove this car to high school. That's crazy. And now look where it's at.
Yep, it's his baby.
Ain't nothing wrong with that, man. It's a nice car for real. Riding too. So yeah, I always want to get some info on this car for y'all watching. So it's a real nice car. So
He's getting ready to build a 4-door sleeper.
oh yeah? Oh, yeah, so look, we back. We just talking. And I don't know if y'all noticed when I just got some footage of the motor, but look at that. On a plate system, no fogger. He said they actually took the fog off. It's on a plate system, man. The pass I recorded yesterday, which gonna be the first pass y'all see, was the first pass they made on this combo. So it's a real nice running car. It's well put together and everything. 632.